Farm Animals Fun Quiz. Written and illustrated by Dana. Hi friends, this is Tots Read Aloud channel. Please watch the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What do you call a young cow? Calf. Which farm animal provides wool for making clothing? Sheep. Which farm animal can run fast and used on racing? Horse. What farm animal is known for its loud moo and producing milk? Cow. Who wakes up all the animals in the morning? Rooster. Who provides eggs in the farm and makes cluck cluck sound? Chicken. Who loves to swim in the mud and dirt with a swirly tail? Pig. Which farm animal is used to carry heavy loads and say, hee-haw? Donkey. Which animals have whiskers and live as a pet at home? Cat. Which animal wags the tail and bark on strangers? Dog. Written and illustrated by Dana. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.